Hi, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. We are solving examples as part of property triangles. This is an example. If sin theta equal to a by b plus c, then show that cos theta equal to 2 root bc by b plus c into cos a by 2. Now, we see here we have sin theta, we have to prove cos theta. We have one trigonometric identity which is nothing but sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Using that, I will try to find out sin square theta, then I subtract 1 from that, so I should be able to get, okay, what's the value of cos theta, okay, right, and let's try to go ahead with that direction, okay, right. So what I will do now, first let me try to find out what is sin square theta, cos square theta, so that afterwards I can take the square root. So cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, that's equal to 1 minus a by a square by b plus c whole square. This is nothing but equal to b plus c whole square minus a square by b plus c whole square, nothing but b square plus c square minus a square plus 2bc by b plus c whole square. Now you can see that b square plus c square minus a square is nothing but equal to 2bc cos theta. If you remember the formula, b square plus c square minus a square is nothing but equal to 2bc into cos of a, right? We know what's the formula for cos of a. Cos of a is nothing but equal to b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. Now we have here b square plus c square minus a square, that means I can write it as 2bc cos a, not theta actually, it's a cos a. Always we know that if you want angle of cos a, your a square will be there at the negative term in the end, and by denominator you will have 2bc. So this is law of cosines, nothing else. Okay, right. So let's go back. If I take this as 2bc cos a now, this becomes 2bc cos of a plus 2bc by b plus c whole square. That's nothing but 2bc into 1 plus cos of a divided by b plus c whole square. Now we know that 1 plus cos a is nothing but equal to 2 cos square a by 2. So I can write it as 2bc into 2 cos square a by 2 divided by b plus c whole square. This is nothing but, what is this? This is nothing but cos square theta equal to, this is what we are doing. Okay. Now if I take root, cos theta is nothing but 2 into 2, 4. Okay. Let me do that again. One more step. Cos square theta equal to 4 into bc into cos square a by 2 by b plus c whole square. Now if I take square root of that, I will have cos theta is equal to square root of 4bc cos square a by 2 by b plus c whole square, which is nothing but equal to 2 root bc cos of a by 2 by b plus c. This is what we have to prove, 2 root bc by b plus c into cos of a by 2. Same problem can be asked in another way by giving cos of theta equal to a by b plus c, then prove that what is the value of sin theta. Something like sin theta is also equal to 2 root bc by b plus c into cos of a by 2. So the value can be asked by giving sin theta to prove cos theta, or by giving cos theta to prove sin theta. The same example. What we have done? We know sin theta equal to this. We know the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So we have tried to simplify that and keep it in the form in cos square theta. Cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. And when I expand, I see that this is nothing but equal to 2bc of cos of a, because law of cosine says that b square plus c square minus a square is 2bc cos of a. Now I have leveraged that. I have applied the formula 1 plus cos a equal to 2 cos square a by 2. If I take the square root, I will be getting 2 root bc into cos a by 2 by b plus c. We will solve some more problems. See you in the next video. Thanks for visiting. Bye for now.